Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to use a free VPN on any iPhone. So let's just immediately start out by installing a VPN. Simply head into the App Store, go into the search bar, and we're going to type in VPN Super. There are not that many free VPNs out there, however I've been using VPN Super Unlimited, this one, for the last few weeks, and this one has been absolutely really good, and it's been working perfectly for me. So yeah, make sure to simply click on the download icon, and I will see you once it's downloaded. Alright, so after a few seconds of downloading, it's already been downloaded, so now let's open the app. We're going to get this, your privacy is important, just make sure to click on accept and continue. Just like this. Alright. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue, as app not to track or allow, just simply click on allow, and here what you need to do is you need to proceed with ads. So yeah, this VPN does have some ads, however that means that it is completely free, which is of course what we want. So yeah, now what you're going to do is you're going to simply spoof to any location you want. It's really easy. Click right here on fastest location and go to the country you want. In the free section there are a lot of free VPNs out there, so let me quickly check which one there are. For example, a lot of them are in the United States. For example, I want to go to New York. I simply click on New York and click on the first one because it most of the time has the lowest delay. Then you're going to click on allow, simply right here, and you're going to type in your password. Simply type in your password, this is completely normal. Now you're going to get an ad, you simply click it away after 5 seconds right here. Skip video and click on the X. And we can already see that we are now connecting with the VPN. So if I now go back to my home page and go to my control center right here, we can also see that the VPN is now connected. And this means that we're now connected to a VPN server all the way in New York. So that's how you can spoof your location and use a VPN on your iPhone completely for free. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.